Today, I am reviewing Gawfolk 27-inch 280Hz curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, let's talk about the Gawfolk 27-inch curved gaming monitor, a display designed to deliver smooth performance, immersive visuals, and excellent value for both gamers and professionals. If you're looking for a budget-friendly curved monitor that doesn't compromise on refresh rate, speed, and overall quality, this one deserves your attention. Starting with the design and build quality, the Gawfolk GF270N features a 27-inch curved screen with an 1800R curvature. This curvature is not overly aggressive but strikes a great balance, wrapping around your field of vision to make gaming and video watching feel more immersive. The slim bezels and sleek white finish give it a premium look that stands out on any desk setup, whether for gaming, office, or multimedia use. Despite being large, it's lightweight at just about 3.3 kilograms, making it easier to mount on a wall or monitor arm with its 100 by 100 millimeter VESA compatibility. Now, let's move on to the visual performance, which is the real highlight of this monitor. It comes with a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. While not 2K or 4K, Full HD remains the sweet spot for high refresh rate gaming, as it allows modern graphics cards to push higher frame rates without unnecessary strain. The display uses a VA panel, which provides deeper blacks and richer contrast compared to IPS panels, with a rated contrast ratio of 4,000 to 1. This means darker scenes in games or movies look more defined, and bright visuals pop without losing detail. Color reproduction is impressive for its class. The screen supports 98% of the sRGB color space, combined with an 8-bit color depth, resulting in smooth gradients and natural transitions. The 300 nits of brightness ensure the display is vivid enough for both dimly lit and moderately bright rooms. Additionally, the 178-degree wide viewing angles mean you don't lose much clarity or color accuracy, even when looking at the screen from different positions. But what really sets this monitor apart is its performance for gaming. The 280Hz refresh rate is outstanding, giving you ultra-smooth motion that's perfect for competitive titles like shooters, MOBAs, and racing games. By default, the monitor runs at 60Hz over HDMI, but when connected with the included DisplayPort cable, you can unlock the full 280Hz refresh rate. Just remember to change the settings in Windows to maximize the performance. Paired with its 1 millisecond response time, motion blur and ghosting are minimized, allowing you to stay sharp and responsive in fast-paced gameplay. The monitor also supports AMD FreeSync technology, which synchronizes your GPU and monitor to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. This feature is particularly important for smooth gameplay, especially when frame rates fluctuate. It's worth noting that even if you're running an NVIDIA graphics card, you may still benefit from adaptive sync, depending on your setup. Gawfolk also put effort into eye comfort features, which is important for long gaming or work sessions. It comes with low blue light mode to filter out harmful shortwave blue light and reduce eye strain. Additionally, it has flicker-free technology thanks to DC dimming, ensuring that even during long hours of use, your eyes remain comfortable and less fatigued. When it comes to connectivity, the GF270N is well-equipped with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 1 DisplayPort input, giving you flexibility to connect multiple devices like PCs, gaming consoles, or media players. You also get additional outputs for easy connectivity, making it versatile whether you use it for work or play. As for the audio, while this monitor doesn't come with built-in speakers, it's designed with a slim profile that makes it easy to pair with external sound systems or headsets, which most gamers prefer anyway. Finally, let's talk about value and reliability. The monitor comes with a 12-month warranty and after-sales support, ensuring that any issues you encounter can be addressed quickly. Customer reviews highlight that Gawfolk monitors are reliable, offering premium features like ultra-high refresh rates at a fraction of the cost of mainstream brands. To sum it all up, the Gawfolk 27-inch curved gaming monitor is an excellent choice if you're looking for a smooth, immersive, and responsive display without breaking the bank. With its 280Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, FreeSync support, strong contrast ratio, and eye care features, It checks nearly every box for gamers. Add to that its sleek design, wide connectivity options, and warranty support, and you've got a monitor that delivers far more than its price suggests. If you're serious about competitive gaming or just want a display that feels buttery smooth for everyday use, the Gawfolk GF270N is absolutely worth considering.